Nothing made me drive up faster by the thought of being fingered.
Kind of makes you look like a teenager.
It will definitely make me decide to go home rather than back to his apartment.
Today, I'm gonna help you groom better. See, I want you to be a sexy stud, and to do that, I'm bringing in 7 girls that are gonna tell you the worst grooming mistakes men make. What is one grooming mistake guys make that you hate?
Well, despite being 21 years old, my boyfriend bites his nails, which grosses me out because it's so unsanitary and kind of makes you look like a teenager.
Of course that looks childish and it's unhygienic, but honestly, even more than that, and something she probably didn't even mention, but I know women pick up on, it also makes you look anxious and nervous, and those are 2 qualities that they just will never make a dude more attractive.
Nothing made me drive up faster by the thought of being fingered by someone with long nails. That's gross.
Yo, she said it, I didn't. She said it, I didn't. See, here's the thing, bro. Come on, how many times do I have to tell you this? Take care of your nails. This is that one little detail that every guy skips over thinking, oh, girls will never notice. Trust me, they think of everything, even that. And if your nails are freaking dirty or unclipped, she is not gonna want you to touch her.
I'm embarrassed to tell someone how to take care of themselves. I think it's a huge turnoff to have to tell someone to brush their teeth. It's like I'm not your mom. I can't tell you how many first kisses have been ruined by bad breath.
Honestly, she should be embarrassed because she ain't your mother. I ain't your father, but I am your older brother that looks out for you and tells you this constantly, bro. You have to keep your teeth white. You have to keep your mouth fresh. How many times have I said, clean that tongue? The tongue is where most of the bad breath is. Of course you're gonna ruin your first kiss, that first chance you have with the girl if you got bad breath. This is why your brother today, March 27, 10 a.m. Eastern, is dropping a whole line of grooming tools with their company He Grooming. Bro, we are now selling. Pro members already bought yesterday. I don't want this to move fast and you guys miss out on this. See, we're dropping our brand new toothbrush that does almost 40,000 RPMs, 40,000 revolutions per minute. You wanna know what that means? Is that for every minute that you brush, our toothbrush is basically doing 40,000 mini strokes. Do you understand how clean your mouth is gonna be with our toothbrush? And that's not all. See, because I think about everything. On the flip side of our toothbrush, I added a tongue scraper. That way you can use that same 40,000 powered engine on your tongue to make sure that tongue is super clean and fresh. So when you do have the chance for a first kiss, you don't screw it up. Not to mention, we're also dropping our silicone facial scrubber, which last time sold out within seconds, and our nose trimmer. Basically, you have the entire lineup of men's tools all in matte black and sexy to ensure that you as a guy are on point all the time. Boys, our drop just happened for He Grooming. If I were you, I'd click that link down below and check us out before it moves fast.
I once dated a guy who never brought clean underwear over when he slept over, and made me not want to have sex with him, and it was all I could think about.
I can't believe women are even saying this type of stuff. I feel like my 4, 5, 6 years on YouTube have done nothing. Bro, how many times have I told you, you need to have clean underwear? Like you have to wear that every single time. You can't reuse underwear. And there is nothing more fulfilling than just putting on a fresh pair of briefs that fit nice and tight, give you support in all the right areas. I don't know about you, but I feel like the man with a new pair of underwear every day. And you should too.
Overwhelming fragrance, like that synthetic stuff, it makes me nauseous. It's nauseating. It's too much. It will definitely make me decide to go home rather than back to his apartment.
Of course. How many times have I shown you the 5-point system, right? 5 sprays is all you need, and you want to make them strategic. This creates a bubble around you. 1 on each wrist, 1 on each side of the neck, and then 1 behind the neck. This creates a personal bubble that when girls do step in and things are getting hot and heavy and your body's warming up, that is when that fragrance is gonna start to expand. That's when she wants to get intoxicated. When you're at work or at school, yeah, I don't want you to stink up the whole damn classroom. Well, she already told you what's gonna happen.
Clean hair is such a big turn on for me. It doesn't necessarily have to look clean. I mean, I just enjoy getting a whiff of freshly shampooed head, especially when we're like in close proximity together, like in bed.
What did I tell you? Do you remember? I kid you not, I said this about 2 weeks ago. No girl's gonna wanna make out with your dirty ass hair, and as things are getting hot and heavy, her hands are all oily and disgusting. Dirty hair looks gross. No girl's gonna wanna touch you. And that just smell of freshness, of cleanliness, yeah, that turns girls on. It's so simple. The bar is set so low for us, but so many of us aren't doing the right things to turn women on. And your grooming is screwing it all up. Bro, I'm trying to help you out. These 6 girls are trying to help you out. If this video helped you out, drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to subscribe because, well, I want to make the family bigger. Also, don't forget to share this video to help your fellow brothers out as well, and make sure they ain't making this grooming mistakes. That's it for me today. See you next time.